Hello children, today we will do the complete exercise of The Boy Who Borrowed from the English Reader book of DAB class 5. B1. Writers have not ruled countries, invented things, won battles, or had amazing adventures. Yet they are famous and important because they create tales that entertain people. After all, it is well known that the pen is mightier than the sword. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो राइटर्स होते हैं, जो लेखक होते हैं, वो ना कोई कंट्री के ऊपर रूल करते हैं, ना कोई शासन चलाते हैं, ना वो कुछ आविष्कार करते हैं, ना वो बैटल यानी युद्ध जीतते हैं, और ना ही वो कुछ एडवेंचर करते हैं। लेकिन फिर भी वो फेमस और इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं यानी ख़ास हैं, क्योंकि वो ऐसी कहानियाँ लिखते हैं जो हमें एंटरटेन करती हैं। और हम सभी ये जानते हैं जो पेन है वो क्या होती है, वो तलवार से भी ज़्यादा ताकतवर होती हैं। मैच द राइटर्स विद देयर क्रिएशंस। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, रुडयार्ड किपलिंग, एनिड ब्लाइटन, रस्किन बॉन्ड, आर्थर कोनन डॉयल, चार्ल्स डिकेंस, R.K. नारायण, लुइस कैरोल। Alice in Wonderland. It is written by Lewis Carroll. The Adventures of Rusty. It is written by Ruskin Bond. The Jungle Book. It is written by Rudyard Kipling. Swami and Friends is written by R.K. Narayan. Sherlock Holmes is written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Oliver Twist is written by Charles Dickens. Gitanjali is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Five on a Treasure Island is written by Enid Blyton. 2. Reading is a hobby. Find out how many students enjoy reading in your class. Also complete the sentences given below to assess your reading habits. My reading record. My favorite book is The Jungle Book, and the characters I like most in the book are Mowgli and Bagheera. Other books or stories that I have liked are Alice in Wonderland and Swami and Friends. When I go to library, I like to take out books about adventures or fiction. My favorite author is Rudyard Kipling. My favorite fairy tale is Cinderella. If I could write a book, I would call it a fiction. Now B3 is the story itself, so we'll do B4. Tick the correct option to complete the sentences. Number 1. Benny completed reading a book in options are 3 days, half a day, 2 hours, and the answer will be half a day. Number 2. Benny got books only at Christmas time on his birthday when he demanded them, and the right option is at Christmas time. Number 3. Benny had the habit of stealing things, borrowing things, lending things, and the answer is borrowing things. Number 4. When children asked for their books back, Benny returned them, avoided them, pretended that he had not got them, and the right option is pretended that he had not got them. Number 5. All the borrowed books wanted to return to their owners. Stay with Benny. Praise Benny's passion for reading books, and the right option is return to their owners. Number 6. The funny dream that Benny narrated to his mother was about his reading a funny book, his writing a book, books walking downstairs and running away. And the right option is books walking downstairs and running away. Number 7. Books made Benny feel ashamed, and so he did not talk to his friend, returned all borrowed things, cried loudly. And the right option is returned all borrowed things. Number 8. Benny promised to borrow books again and again, only if he returned them quickly, only from relatives. And the right option is only if he returned them quickly. 5. Answer the following questions briefly. Number 1. What was Benny's favorite hobby? Answer. Benny's favorite hobby was reading books. Number 2. What kind of book did Benny want? Answer. Benny wanted a book that goes on forever. Number 3. How many books did he have? Answer. He had about 8 books. Question number 4. Why could Benny not bear to return books? Answer. When Benny saw his bookcase gradually filling up, he could not bear to return them. Number 5. Whose voices did Benny hear one night? Answer. Benny heard the voices of the borrowed books. Number 6. What horrid thing had Benny done with one of the books? Answer. Benny had turned some of the pages down of one of the books to mark his place. Number 7. How did the books leave the house? Answer. The books tumbled helter-skelter down the stairs. They went into the little room of the hall and found the open window. And through this window, the books leave the house. Question number 8. Why were the children surprised when Benny returned them their things? Answer. The children were surprised because they thought that Benny would never return them their things. D6. Life skills. Imagine Benny had borrowed a book from you and has not returned it back. How would you convince him to return your book and all the other things that he has borrowed from other people? The answer is, I will tell him that reading book is a very good habit, and for reading more books one can borrow books. But if he or she does not return the borrowed books, it is like stealing. And if you don't return the books in time, nobody will lend you any more books. And it will be very shameful for you. So please return my book which you borrowed last month. E7. Value-based question. Books are our best friends. The values that we get from them are timeless and priceless. Do you agree with this statement? Discuss in class what values do we get from books. Answer is yes, I am completely agree with this statement. Books are our best friend. The values and the knowledge that we get from books is timeless and priceless. This knowledge broadens our mind and help us to face the difficulties in our life. And the values we get from books help us to be a good person. 8. Find words from the story which mean the same as the following. Number 1. Created a false impression, pretended. Number 2. Angry, cross. Number 3. Strange, peculiar. Number 4. Horrible, horrid. Number 5. Hurry in a disorderly manner, helter skelter. Number 6. Strange, odd, queer. B9. Imagine you are Benny. Write a diary entry describing your unbelievable experience of hearing the books talk. Leave the house and read their owners' houses. बच्चों तो ये है उसका आंसर। जब भी हम लोग डायरी एंट्री करते हैं तो सबसे ऊपर में हम लोग लिखते हैं कौन सा डे है, उसके बाद हम लोग लिखते हैं डेट और उसके बाद नीचे में हम लोग लिखते हैं टाइम। तो टाइम जो है वो मोस्टली होता है रात का, क्योंकि रात को सोने के पहले हम लोग डायरी एंट्री करते हैं और डायरी को हम लोग संबोधन करते हैं डियर डायरी बोल के। ओके बच्चों, इस डायरी एंट्री में आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको लिखना था, आपको खुद को बेनी सोचना है और बेनी के साथ जो एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, उस बेनी को जो एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, यानी कि वो बुक स्टॉक कर रही थी, वो घर को छोड़ कर चली गई थी और वो अपने राइट ऑनर्स के पास पहुंच गई थी, वो आपको लिखना है। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं हमने क्या लिखा है। लास्ट नाइट अ क्वेयर इंसिडेंट ऑकर्ड विथ मी. The books that I borrowed from my friends were talking to each other and planning to go back to their right owners. It was really surprising. The books came down the stairs and went out through the window and reached their right owners. Benny. E10. Benny's friend decided to become a member of public library to satisfy her passion of reading books. Given below are the steps of joining the library, selecting a book and getting it issued. Arrange them in the correct order by writing the number in the boxes provided. And the correct order is secure membership form, it is number 1. Field details, it is number 2. And the number 3 is submit form and membership fee. Number 4 is collect library card. Refer to catalog, it is number 5. select book, it is number 6. Hand over book and library card to librarian, it is number 7. Get due return date stamped in the book is number 8. We have completed the whole exercise from B1 to B10. I think it will be very helpful for you, and if you like the video then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. बाय बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.